Is your US bank account safe? What if you woke up one day and found your US bank account is gone? Just like that, without any warning or reason. This is what happening to many non-US residents who work in the recruiting and staffing industry. Are you ready for something like this? No. Listen, I'm Ranjith and I built my own 11 million business from nothing, learning from plenty of do's and don'ts along the way in the recruiting and staffing industry. Your business financial stability is paramount, and facing an unexpected closure of your US bank account can be a major setback. That's why I'm here to pass the knowledge on to you so you can protect your business navigating the complexities of US bank relationships for non-residents and excel in your field. A tough banking environment. Choosing the right bank is crucial for managing your money. Traditional banks, online only banks, and financial tech, fintech companies each have their own pros and cons. If you are a non US resident and want to do business in the United States, the type of transaction you make could seriously affect your relationship with your bank. The recent surge in the US bank account closures highlights the needs to understand why this happens and how to protect your bank. Types of bank accounts. Traditional brick and mortar bank. Big name banks like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Citibanks are in this group. They offer wide range of services, but they also have strict regulations. Digital banks. Web-based banks like Mercury, RelayFi, and Highbeam are a part of this group. They have lower overheads, offer cheaper services, and usually have a less strict than fintech companies. Companies like Wise.com, AirWallex specialized in sending money and work well for foreign transactions. So if you see the types of transaction, deposits and withdrawals. Deposits are money coming into your bank usually don't cause problems. But big outgoing, especially if you're a non-US resident in a high-risk industry, might draw extra attention from banks. Let's find out why accounts get closed. The trigger. Several things can cause your bank account to be closed suddenly. Regular large outgoing can set off alarm bells for the banks. If your account actively looks shady, banks might choose to close your bank account rather than investigate further. Immediate risk. Can they help? Services like Wise.com can manage your international transactions, handle different currencies, and help avoid setting off any bank alarms. However, they also have downsides to watch out for: the risk of using intermediaries. Intermediaries also have a follow rules and look out for suspicious activity. If they think you are breaking the rules or doing something illegal, they could shut down your account just like a regular bank. Preventing account closures. Steps you can take. To protect your bank account, consider these steps. Don't make large deposits and then take out a big amount of cash. Stay away from businesses involved in risky industries. Keep track of how many transactions you make. Remember that transactions to or from certain countries can raise suspicion. If you are not sure, ask a financial consultant or a lawyer who knows about banking rules. Diversification and security. Spread your risk. One way to protect your money is to keep it in several different banks, both traditional and online. This ensures that even one bank decides to close your bank, your money is still safe. Dealing with withdrawal limits. Always have access to cash. Having accounts in different banks lets your work around withdrawal limits, ensures that you are always have access to your money. Having accounts in different banks let you work around withdrawal limits and ensures that you always have access to your money. Protecting your US bank accounts. In today's complex banking environment, understanding why bank accounts get closed and how to avoid this is crucial. If you choose your bank wisely, keep good records, and communicate effectively, you can greatly reduce the risk of sudden account closures and ensure your business runs smoothly. I hope you found our discussion enlightening and helpful. Knowing how to safeguard your US bank accounts and understand the triggers that could potentially lead closures is crucial part of running a successful international staffing business. Building a successful enterprise isn't quick or easy, but with the right knowledge and dedication, you can make it happen. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. Also join our Recruit Elite community for free resources like sample contract templates and connect with other ambitious recruiting entrepreneurs. Find the link in the comment below.